If you're posting stories on Facebook and wondering how to see who else is viewing your stories, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view other people who have watched your Facebook story. Now, first things first, you can simply open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. Now, as you can see on your Facebook homepage, you can see here option called your story. Tap on it, and under your story you can see a simple eye. Tap on it. Here you can see a list of people who watch your story. This list includes friends, followers, and even non-friends who have seen your story. You'd also see if someone has reacted or commented on your story. And that's it. That's how you view who has viewed your Facebook story and even manage your viewers if necessary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.